Well cared for all brick home set off from the road for added privacy. This 4-bedroom 2-bath home features an open concept floor plan with primary bedroom apart. A large spacious covered front porch welcomes you home. 36 by 36 metal barn with 3 stalls and tack room. 12 by 16 workshop. New architectural roof 622, newer HVAC 2019 and a whole house generator in 2013. Partially fenced with a front pasture area. Back portion of acreage is undeveloped, has trails and a wet weather creek. Call today for your private showing.